A very good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Well, we're going to be kickstarting the product launch. All those who want to be part of the launch, request you to kindly move forward and please join us towards the Taiwan Excellence Zone, and please make way for the others walking past by. A very good afternoon to all our esteemed guests, distinguished industry professionals, and members of the media. My name is Tejaswi Kannan, and it is my great honor to welcome you to the Taiwan Excellence Product Launch at IMTEX 2025, one of the world's leading platforms for machine tools and manufacturing technologies organized by the Indian Machine Tool Manufacturers Association. It brings together visionary leaders, innovators, and decision makers to shape the future of the industry. To host today's event in such a dynamic and influential setting is truly a privilege. But before we get started, let me provide a brief introduction to Taiwan Excellence. The Taiwan Excellence Awards were established in 1993 by the Taiwanese government to honor products that exemplify four major aspects of R&D, design, quality, and marketing to identify outstanding products that offer innovative value. While satisfying the key criteria of being made in Taiwan, today, the Taiwan Excellence logo is trusted and recognized in over 102 countries as a mark of innovation and reliability. I think that deserves a round of applause. This afternoon, Taiwan Excellence is thrilled to unveil some of the most advanced technologies from Taiwan's leading manufacturers, all designed to set new benchmarks in precision, efficiency, and innovation. As we explore the latest advancement from leading Taiwanese manufacturers, our aim is crafting excellence for a progressive tomorrow. Well, ladies and gentlemen, before we move forward, we would like you to watch an AV. Can we have an AV, please?
To a touch with our clients, ultimately bringing Taiwan onto the global stage. In this 60-kilometer valley, we have naturally gathered thousands of precision machinery companies and tens of thousands of small and medium-sized suppliers, forming the highest producing and densest precision machinery industry cluster in the world. Taiwan also has many highly skilled and talented SMEs that continuously drive the industry's progress through their connections with each other. We understand the importance of deep human connections, which gives a whole new meaning to the AI touch in human-machine collaboration. This touch means safety, precision, flexibility, and comprehensive service. It showcases the unique collective strength and miracles created by Taiwan's craftsmanship, highlighting the touch between Taiwan and its global partners in this new era. Touch between humans, AI, and nature not only enhances product yield and reduces waste, but also accurately calculates carbon emissions and finds the most intelligent ways to generate natural energy. These efforts efforts represent our commitment to the future, giving each touch profound significance. On this moving journey, each touch is a warm call, and every SME's effort contributes to the flourishing development of Taiwan's machinery industry. Every touch demonstrates our resilience and craftsmanship, uniting deep human connections to create the purest beauty of coexistence. This is precisely where Taiwan's belief in the intelligent machinery industry lies.
The event, we have Mr. Richard Chen, Director General of the Taipei Economic and Cultural Center in Chennai. Let's all put our hands together to offer all our esteemed guests joined us this afternoon. Mr. Jules Shi, Director of the Taipei World Trade Center. Stephen Chang, Chief Secretary, Taiwan Chamber of Commerce in Bengaluru, India. Ms. Lisa Wang, Director of Exhibition Division of Taiwan Association of Machinery Industry. A very warm welcome to all of you. And now, to welcome the gathering, I would like Mr. Richard Chen to kindly join us on stage. Let's put our hands together, everybody, and welcome him.
Rich and Sandra, General Secretary of the Customs Association. Executive officers from Taiwan External Trade Council, and executive officers from the Taiwan Association of Machinery Industry, and all the leading Taiwanese manufacturers in the machinery, in machine tool industry, the companies participating in this event, friends of the media, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon.
Audio down, audio auto. Audio auto.
On behalf of the Taiwan government, it is my great honor to have you attend us in this product launch of the Taiwan Excellence at the IMTEX 2025. This is Taiwan's first time participating in this event. And I'm excited to speak technology. India's manufacturing sector has become one of the global leaders, excelling in industries such as machinery, automotive, and defense. As the world embraces Industry 4.0 and IoT, India's industrial landscape is undergoing a significant transformation driven by digital innovation, eco-friendly production and automation. Taiwan is proud to be a positive partner in this transformation. In addition to semiconductor, Taiwan is also known for its advanced automation and machinery solutions, leading the way with technologies like AI and IoT, which makes manufacturing smarter and more efficient. Our focus on quality and innovation aligns perfectly with India's Make in India initiative, supporting industries in their modernization efforts and helping them stay competitive. Today, you are going to experience the cutting-edge innovations of 13 Taiwanese outstanding companies showcasing 17 advanced products, including machinery, CNC total solutions, process liquids, and precision components. Among them, 5 leading brands, Xinhong, Quaser, Palmary, Syntec, and Hiwin. They are going to demonstrate the engineering excellence that makes Taiwan a leader in the machinery industry. The company Xinhong has been awarded the Taiwan Excellence 2025 Golden Award. They are going to showcase its innovative machinery that integrates with green energy and energy-saving solutions. Quaser highlights its latest EDM machines, emphasizing high performances and precision machining technology. Palmary focuses on the manufacturing of CNC grinding machines, demonstrating industry-leading processing capabilities and stability. And another company, Syntec, is going to introduce its CNC solutions. The company Syntec introduces its CNC solutions, incorporating the concept of green revolution to promote sustainable manufacturing. Okay. And the other company, Hiwin's high-performance components provide critical technological support for CNC machinery, enhancing overall efficiency and stability. Over the years, Taiwan and India has enjoyed cordial relations in trade and investment. In 2024, the trade volume between Taiwan and India soared 29% to hit an all-time high of $10.6 billion, making India one of the important trade partners of Taiwan. And up to date, there are about 285 Taiwanese companies making investment in India, and over 60% of them they are located in the southern India, and most of them are in the state of Karnataka and Tamil Nadu. All the Taiwanese companies investing in India, they have created 195,000 job opportunities for Indian people. And we expect more and more Taiwanese companies, they are going to make investment in India. As we look ahead, Taiwan and India share a vision of progress through innovation. Together, let's pave the way for greater success in machinery and automation. And I would like to express my sincere appreciation to TAITRA and, of course, to the Taiwan Association of Machine Industry and to all the Taiwanese companies participating in this event for making this event possible. Thank you for joining us, and I invite you to visit the Taiwan Pavilion. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Well, ladies and gentlemen, let's move on to the main highlight of today's event, the presentations by the Taiwan's top manufacturers. Our first presentation from the Xinhong Machinery and Electric Industrial. Our presenter, Mr. Sefroth, is not going to be here due to a medical emergency. So we'll be moving on to our next presentation. We have Quaser Machine Tools. Presenting an overview of their cutting-edge machine tools, Quaser Group provides technology and application expertise to enable the best manufacturing performance. Let's put our hands together and welcome on stage Mr. Anthony Chang, Sales Manager.
Thank you. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Anthony, in charge of sales department of Quaser Machine Tools. So what is Quaser? Literally, it's a combination of quality and service. And this is also our core value when we develop a machine, design a machine. With 34 years dedicated on machine tools, we established the company in 1991. And with the globalization, we set up different subsidiaries in Switzerland, China, and the United States in year 2009, 2012, and 2016. The same year of 16, Quaser company went public in stock market. And in 2019, we acquired a UK machine tool company, Wimbro. So now Quaser has two major brands in the group. One is Quaser Machine Tools, focused on milling machine tools. Another is Wimbro, focused on EDM and the laser technology, from its application to system manufacturing. Portfolio of Quaser products. We have conventional vertical machine with its x-axis stroke from 660 millimeter to 2000 millimeter, and horizontal machine with pallet size from 400 to 800 millimeter. Multitask machine like five faces or simultaneous 5-axis machine, we have the table swing dimension from 400 to 800 millimeter as well. On top of that, we also offer this flexible manufacturing cell, which you can adapt the vertical pallet pool or 360 tool magazine into the machine. And portfolio of portfolio of Wimbro machines. We categorize three major groups: EDM, laser micro, and laser macro. And with different optics and the laser resources, the laser solution we can offer ablation, laser drilling, texturing, and welding. So here's a sample of our EDM 300. It's an automation-ready machine. And with its compact footprint, 1 meter by 3 meter, it can maximize the throughput from your production floor. So other than hardware, we also provide software solutions. In our field, the most critical pain point is to find or keep an experienced engineer or worker. To manage this pain, we develop a generative AI embedded in our machine called Mr. Q. We train Mr. Q all kinds of operation notice, troubleshooting know-how or process, all the machine inspection information. You can imagine that if you buy a Quaser machine and there's a well-experienced engineer from Quaser, support your daily basis operation in your factory. Another software solution is carbon emission calculating system. In fact, in the market, many people also support this system by only calculating the air and the power consumptions. Differences from Quaser will be we also calculate the carbon equivalent from tools, materials, cycle of coolant, and the lubricant. So you may question this, our machine or our product provide more carbon emission figures. And that's also true, because we are not trying to offer more accurate figures, but also trying to set up a standard in the market. The setting is very simple. Input the material information, tooling information, cycle start, and after machining, you can get the result. So if you are trying to understand or know more about Quaser, know more about our product, I will be here until 26, or you can visit us in Taiwan, the Taipei TIMTOS show in March. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Chang, for the thorough presentation. Your insights into the future of machine tools are truly enlightening. And now, ladies and gentlemen, moving forward, we have Palmary Machinery Co. Limited and presenting their smart manufacturing hub that integrates advanced grinding technology into a cohesive solution for modern factories. So let's put our hands together and welcome Miss Vanessa Chang, Regional Sales Manager, to take us through the features of this advanced system.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. It's my honor to be invited to this event. I'm Vanessa. I'm representative of the Palmary Group, Machinery Group. It's really our honor to join this event. Due to the coming trend for the Industrial 4.0 and also the light-out factory, how we have to integrate this cutting-edge grinding technology seamless to this field. The following topic I'm going to share with you. So for the following, I got 4 topics. So briefly, I will introduce the Palmary portfolio and also what's our product categories and also the solid application we have done to our valuable customers and also the award and the certificate. Okay, and what is about Palmary's? Palmary's is founded from 1998. And our location is in Central Taiwan, so we have 2 factories. The total is 20,000 meters square in total. And we have branches not only in Taiwan, we also have China and also the Thailand office. And we got our in-house service support, like we have our R&D center, the production team, after-sales service, and also the manufacturing team. Okay, and this is our sales demand. So average month we produce 116 units, and we have domestic markets and also we have overseas markets. And our product summaries from the cylindrical, centerless, and internal vertical machine we have. So actually we are covering the whole grinding range. So you can find here we found a vertical solution, cylindrical, bore grinding, and also the surface and centerless grinding machine. And what exactly our Solix experience we are going to share with you. This is much focused on the mold grinding solution. This is our bore grinding machine. And it is also the compound machine. You can find there's 2 axes. There's cross-slide servos, and we have 2 built-in spindle, so it is easily to do the OD and also the ID phase grinding. And you can see we much focus on the tungsten carbide mode. So easily we have big axis to travel like plus 90 degree, minus 60 degrees to gradually do the taper, radius, bore grinding, and phase grinding. And this is for the automobile parts. The mostly complete solution we provide to our customers is the post measurement, because the customer would like to reduce the human source interference. So after grinding, we aid the cleaning device and also the post measurement to measure 3 points of diameter, automatically feedback to the machine, so we can do the auto compensation as well. And this for the gear industries, the gear shaft. So you can find here we have ID probe to check the diameter, and also we can control the thickness of the gear. And for this solution, we give the complete turnkey solution for the customer. We add the robot control, so auto loading and unloading attachment solution. And this is for especially the punch industry. It is for the camshaft grinding solutions. So we are combined with the new controller. So inside of the controller is built in the program. Easily we can do like hexagon, the square, or camshaft eccentric grinding, and we do the stimulation for the customer as well. And because we are doing lots of overseas markets, so we give the C and also the UKCS certificate for all kinds of the product categories. And we are honored to have the Taiwan Excellence Awards in 2019, 20, 22, and 23 with our VIG vertical grinding machine and special K machine as bore grinding. And also we have award with Rising Star Awards and also the National Awards Outstanding. And we have booth in the Hall 1B. The booth number is B111, so you are very invited to visit us. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Ms. Chang. And now, ladies and gentlemen, moving on. Up next is Syntec Technology Co. Limited, introducing their smart solutions for CNC manufacturing, offering innovative solutions that bring flexibility, precision, and efficiency to the CNC machining process. Let's welcome Mr. Jagdish, Technical Head, India. Sir, over to you.
Thank you. Thank you all for coming, and I'm Jagdish. I take care of. Okay. Thank you all for coming here. I'm Jagdish. I take care of the sales activity for the Syntec India CNC business. Today we will see about the smart solutions which we have. We have many solutions. We'll focus on one particular solution which we want to explain you. So first I'll explain you a little bit about Syntec. So Syntec Group started in the year 1995, and in 2023 Syntec India business started. These are our global locations. We are available in many parts of the world. And this is our business results. We are a 7.87 Taiwanese billion dollar company. Okay. And we are a rapidly growing company. So we grow 15% by every year. So today I want to share a smart solution of us focusing on one particular solution, which is a machine tending. So the concept of machine tending is one particular robot tending the parts to one machine as well as various number of machines, and this repeatedly loading and unloading. So this is the concept. And the main components of this machine tending are the CNC machine, a robotic arm, the materials, and the control system. So basically there are two types of machine tending. One is mass production, and where there is a large volume and less variations. And the second type is high mix, low volume, where the volume is very less and there are variations are more. So what issue the factory is facing right now is the labor cost, the quality issue, and also the low output. And when they think about moving from the labor to the robot, still the factories are facing some issue like the cost and the technical. They think whether we are able to run the robot or not, and the compatibility issue, whether the robot will be compatible with all of my machines. Different kind of CNCs are there, and what will be the after sales support, and whether the solution is very solid for me or not. So these are the challenges what factories face right now. What Syntex provides for this particular issues what the factory faces. So we supply robotic arm, and we develop the application, and we provide our ready-made softwares like Syntec, SynMaster and SynFactory for this. So for the entire manufacturing cell, we provide the solutions in a cost-effective manner whatever is required in a simple way, we provide a solution. So these are our product lineup. So we have the Scarra robot, an industrial articulated robot, a cobot, and also a flexible cart. This is dedicatedly for the machine tending application. So we sell it as a full product. And in the software side, so we have developed the robot software in such a way that it is dedicatedly for the machine tending application. So it is oriented based on the machine tending application so that it is user friendly. Even the operator doesn't need any much training to operate this robot. So, and also it is a flexible and safe. So we have the functions like anti-collision, dynamic anti-collision, and it is a flexible robot deployment. And also machine linking to various controllers like Syntec and any other blah, 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 whatever the controllers you have, our robots can be interfaced with so many different controllers. And we have functions like auto-center element. So the gripper can be auto-centered. It takes very less time for programming the robot tending application. And also we have the palletization function on the controller. So even if you have a number of pallets, it is very easy to program the loading and unloading. And we also have the function called 2D vision alignment, where you can identify the different colors or a different orientation of the component. And on the application side, so our controllers can be used for like machine designs like one robot to one CNC machine tending, and also from one robot to many machines robot tending. So this is one robot to multiple CNC machines. So any kind of configurations, machine configurations is possible. We have software to support. So there is a suppose if you are integrating a robot in the machine, so it's very tough to modify the offset and changing the program. So there are many difficulties what the operator may face. So we have the solution called the Syn Master. So the Syn Master software enables the operator to change the program or modify the tool offset, the wear offset from a distance, like outside the cell. You can stand outside the cell and you can modify the basic needs, and it can support various controllers like Syntec and other brands also. And it's very easy for the operator to learn this software very quickly. And it is not a very flashy software. It has whatever is required for the operator to do on the machine. So it's very simple, but it's very productive in terms of whatever is necessary on the machine. So we have divided the requirement in 3 different modules for the software. One is a standard module. So if you want to just see the status of the machine, and if you want to do some basic operations, you can just purchase the standard module. And if you want to do the tool compensation type, then you purchase the second modules, and it makes it very cost effective. So these are our solutions. So Syntec has solutions which is very simple and as well as very powerful in terms of getting the production going on. Thank you so much for this opportunity. I thank Taitra. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Jagdish. Next up, we have Hiwin Technologies Corp. Presenting the revolutionary RCH100E, a cutting-edge automation solution designed to improve precision and efficiency into a wider range of manufacturing applications. Let's put our hands together and welcome on stage Mr. Francis Chan, the Senior Project Manager.
Thank you. Good afternoon to all our esteemed guests. I am Francis from Hiwin Technologies. Today I'm going to present a revolutionary product from Hiwin, which is called High-Speed EDM Milling Head, RCH100E. And this product is also a winner in the Taiwan Excellence Award in the year 2024, which is last year. So here's the outline of today's presentation. So first of all, I would like to introduce my company, Hiwin. So Hiwin is established in 1989 and has developed key components and mechatronic products since then. In recent years, Hiwin products provide system solutions such as rotary tables. We have been in the Indian market since 1985. Today, I would like to introduce Hiwin high-speed EDM milling head RCH100E, which is one of the series of our rotary tables. So, why do we want to develop this product? Right now, the aircraft, semiconductor, and medical industry are booming. So, the machining efficiency and quality of the parts are very important. However, for the super hard materials, such as industrial diamonds, tungsten carbide, and Inconel, the hardness is much higher than ordinary steel. If traditional machining is used, this contact machining method will make the tool break more easily and even impossible to machine. So, they use a process called EDM, electrical discharge machining. This non-contact machining method solves a problem related to traditional machining. However, there are two sides to EDM. Based on users' reactions, Hiwin has summarized three major pain points of EDM. First of all is a low productivity. The electrode is like a tool in EDM. In traditional EDM, multiple processes are required. So every time when you need to proceed to another process, you need to change a new electrode, not only wasting the electrode, but also wasting time. Next, the second pain point is a quality problem. So you can see here that the electrode, when it is doing the process, is concentrated on one side, which causes a poor surface finishing. And the third pain point is the pain point for every machine tool manufacturer, which is unexpected machine downtime. So, this unexpected machine downtime always causes a big loss for companies. So they need an intelligent system to tell them when to schedule maintenance and how to reduce the downtime. So, the customer comes to Hiwin looking for a solution. But how do we do it? After lots of discussions and research, finally Hiwin has a solution for the industry. By integrating self-made key components and developing a revolutionized EDM technology, not only solves customer problems, but also provides additional benefits. So let's see now how we do it. First, the RCH100E is equipped with a high-speed torque motor manufactured by our sister company called Hiwin Microsystem, and can continuously rotate at 300 RPM. The rotation speed is increased by 15 times compared to the mechanical rotary table, which is only 20 RPM. So what's the advantage of 300 RPM? With 300 RPM, it can be used as a spindle in EDM. With the RCH100E, we have achieved a whole new EDM process. We call it EDM milling. This revolutionary technology is also the first innovation in Taiwan. Through EDM milling, only one process is required to complete the machining, greatly reducing the machining time and also reducing the use of the electrode. So next is the quality. Through the new process, electrode consumption is evenly distributed, resulting in improving the finishing quality with a surface roughness of RA 0.4 microns. Moreover, the RCH100E also has a value-added central flushing function where a 50 bar water pressure effectively flushes away the EDM residue. And third, intelligent diagnosis. With Hiwin integrated sensors and smart drive, it can feed back information to the user, allowing the user to predict and schedule maintenance, thereby reducing the downtime and maintenance costs. So, in summary, RCH100E with new EDM milling process not only solves customers' problems, but also provides additional benefits. Right now, this revolutionary product has passed 8 patents and has 12 patents pending, and this product has also received the Taiwan Excellence Award in 2024. Following the global ESG trend, Hiwin adapts the concept of sustainable product design. About 90% of the parts in this product are self-made. We can redesign and recondition the rotary table and extend the life cycle. About 70% of its parts can be recycled and used, reducing the demand for natural resources. Our RCH100E is made from a special alloy material that is 30% lighter compared to competing products, reducing the energy consumption during machine operations. So a small successful case where a customer from Hiwin manufactures a turbine plate with Inconel. And the challenge of this customer is the productivity is too low. So they adapted the new EDM RCH100E, and with the new EDM process, they have benefited, where you can see the productivity has increased by 5 times. And moreover, they can schedule the maintenance. In this successful case, the customer took the initiative to exhibit with Hiwin in the Jimtov exhibition in Taiwan, in Japan. It became the highlight of the exhibition and also attracted interest from different industries, expanding the EDM market and achieving innovative cooperation. So to learn more about the Hiwin products, we have a booth in Hall 4, and the booth number is B122. And we thank the Taiwan Excellence for this great opportunity to introduce this product. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Francis Chen. And well, ladies and gentlemen, we have our esteemed guest, Shri M.G. Balakrishna, sir, President of the Federation of Karnataka Chambers of Commerce and Industry. A very warm welcome to you, sir. Thank you so much for taking time out and being with us today. Ladies and gentlemen, we have our last presentation, Kanfon. Kanfon was founded in Taiwan, and the company's brand and product offering represent unparalleled reliability. Kanfon has been a world-leading brand in precision sheet metal machinery and laser applications. To know more, let's put our hands together and welcome on stage Ms. Pei Shu, Chief Strategy and Marketing Officer.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. It's an honor for me to introduce you all about the Kanfon. Okay. Kanfon is established in 2010. We focus on innovation, so this has been a lot of honor for us, such as the German IF Award 2023 and Taiwan Excellence Award 2024. And our priorities focus on 2 main goals. One is transforming the traditional math into the smart and efficiency operation. And the second is, we try to provide the more productive and cost-saving solutions. We have a lot of the operations globally. Of course, our headquarters is based in Taiwan. However, we have the distributor in Japan, China, and also in India, in Mexico as well. And this provides not only sales, also the technical solutions as well. Because if anyone told you their machine is never to be broke, they are lying to you. So we care about our reputation. We think after sales is very important. That's why all our distributors, they are not only selling our machine, they also doing the after sales and doing the maintenance for you. Okay. A lot of people ask, what is our client? In this chart, they are our client. You can see they are in the different industry. For example, Fujitsuba is automotive, and you can see also the semiconductor and medical industry as well. What are the Kanfon products? Okay. We not only sell equipment, we are actually automation sheet metal solution provider. Why we are saying we are the solution provider? You can see from the material inventory management. So which is, the automatic storage system to our precise cutting machine. And our cutting machine is not like other one. We have a mega leaf fiber laser cutting machine. And then you will have the bending machine. And it's the other one is a 3D robot arm fiber laser cutting with a widening compressed system. So you can see in the sheet metal machinery, we actually have a whole package. So that's why we say we are the solution provider for you. This is not only you can use in the existing factory. If you have the new factory need to set up, and this will be the whole set of the machine for you to help you business success. And our machine is widely used for the 32 industry. For example, what I say is the aftermarket automotive and bicycle or EV car, the battery, and computer, cloud servers, semiconductor, and also aerospace or medical. Okay. I think everyone here is all care about the three things. One, productivity. And second is the power saving. And third is the cost. I think those three is the most important in this industry. So how we are going to put those three together? I'm going to introduce you this machine. This machine is the first machine in the world that can combine cutting and whiting together, and only use it in one head, which you don't need to change. And I'm going to bring you some case study for this machine. This is a bicycle, when our clients come to us and asking us, say, they was have a traditional bicycle, and right now they will like to have the electric bicycle. And how they are going to do this? So we give them this machine, which is, the 3D machine, and they change their operation math. So you can see in the traditional way, they need to have like 5 minutes to do the one piece. And right now, it's only 45 seconds to do the one piece. And before, they need to have 5 machines to combine the use in, the one piece. And right now, they only need to have 1 machine to do, which is you reduce from the 5 machine, 5 worker, to 1 machine, 1 worker. So the outcome is increasing 6.7 times. So that's, increasing a lot of productivities. Of course, when you're doing this, and then the cost actually is reduced as well. So automotive, we all know in India, automotive industry is a big industry as well. Let's showcase our one of our clients, which is the Japanese client, called Fujitsuba. Fujitsuba is the top A manufacturers in the world to do the exhaust pipe. So they also buy our cutting and whiting combined machine. And you see the before, they need to have 2 people for the machine. And right now, they reduce to 1 people. So which is, the cost and the time and the doubling the efficiency. And for the semiconductor, we also have the machine is stronger the deepening, the widening bay, and lower the deformation. And result is a 3 times efficiency. So, those showcase, our machine is not only the accurate, but also save your cost and increase your efficiency. And that will help your business success in the future. Okay, it's 5 minutes done. So thank you, everyone.
Thank you, Ms. Spare, for that detailed description. And ladies and gentlemen, we are going to be felicitating our guest, and I'd request Mr. Shen to kindly come up on the dais to felicitate our esteemed chief guest, Shri M.G. Balakrishna, sir. Let's put our hands together, everybody. Come on. So, at this side as well. So could you please, this side? We've got media from all the sides. I would also like to welcome a few of our guests, Mr. Jules, Mrs. Stephen, Ms. Lisa. Please join us.
Radhika.
Thank you, Mr. Jules, Mrs. Stephen, and Ms. Lisa. Thank you so much. I request Sir to kindly stay back because we would like to welcome our brand representatives, Mr. Anthony Chang, Ms. Vanessa Chang, Mr. Jagdish, Mr. Francis, and Ms. Fair to kindly join us for another picture. I request the media to kindly step back. We have one more picture, one more photo of all our brand representatives who will be part of IMTEX 2025. Request the media to kindly step back one step, please. Thank you. Thank you, sir. Now, I request our guests to kindly join us on a tour of all our products that have been taken part today at IMTEX 2025. So we have our first product right here, Mecom, founded in 2003 in Taiwan. Mecom Industries Corp. Established the MCM Mecom brand and became the first Taiwanese company with the capability to research and produce plant-based metalworking fluids. It offers excellent protection against oxidation for special high sensitivity aluminium alloys in the 5 series, 6 series, and 7 series. Furthermore, due to its outstanding and noticeable machining performance, deforming properties, it effectively prolongs the tool life and extends the coolant's lifespan for operations in challenging machining conditions. Next up, we have Ingrid. Before developing the zero-point clamping system, the Ingrid team, with over 20 years of expertise in metal manufacturing, had already built a stellar reputation in the industry by providing part production services to numerous globally recognized brands and large factories. Well, it boasts 0.2005 repetitive positioning accuracy and 1,000 to 2,000 kg clamping